Bouncer babies. Callie, bounce, bounce. Jump, jump. Jump, jump. Yeah, is that fun? Bounce. Okay, jump. Jump. You love it? You already got Static Kid. Go get the baby. Go get Parker. Go get baby. Hi, baby. Parker. Go get him. Are you just going to do laps? It's kind of nice out. It's nice and warm. It's October 5th, I think, today. Look at that Static Kid. Oh, my goodness. Parky, bounce. Bounce you. Bounce, 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 bounce. Can you bounce, 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 bounce. Bounce, bounce. Bounce, bounce. Oh, he's going to get your toes. He's going to get your toes. He's going to get your toes. He can get your toes, cowards. Get those toes. Get those toes. He's gonna get your toes. You stand up. Up, up, Callie. Up, up. Oh my gosh. That hair is getting worse every lap you make. Woo, Parker. Yeah, good job. Can somebody wave me bye-bye? Yeah. Oh, getting adventurous over there. Callie, can you wave me bye-bye? Bye-bye. Parker, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Callie, bye-bye. Here you go, wave bye-bye.